You buy a $100 shopping voucher and put it up for a raffle with tickets costing $2 each with the intention to donate any profit to charity. This is sounding familiar. Let X be the random variable for the number of tickets you manage to sell and Y be the random variable for the profit. Sounding very familiar. Suppose the standard deviation of X is sigma of X is 20. What is the standard deviation of the profit? Well, that bit sounds different. I'm sure I've done one like this before. Just a second. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, exactly the same, except, oh, this one was the expected value and asked what the expected profit was. Okay, well, what did I do in this one? Oh, I created a formula for how the Y, which was the profit, is related to X, which is the number that was sold. I made this argument where I spent 100, I took in $2 times the number of people, the number of tickets that were sold, and then the profit was the amount of money that came in minus the amount of money I spent. Okay, so that was a formula that I created for the profit in terms of the number of tickets. And then I used the properties of the expected value to figure out the new expected value. Okay, well, I guess I could do the same thing for the standard deviation. It's got its own properties for how it interacts with formulas like this. So let's see. Y is 2x minus 100. I don't need that anymore. No, not the expected value. That's what I did last time. Sigma of Y, the standard deviation of Y. Well, the Y is 2x minus 100. Now I can use the properties of sigma. Okay, so subtracting a number doesn't do anything to the standard deviation because it's all about how spread out. If this was the histogram, then subtracting 100 would just shift it over here and it would be the same spread. So that's not going to make a difference. So that's going to be the same as this. And then timesing by 2, well, that would spread everything out more. So that would be 2 times sigma of X. And sigma of X is 20. And so I get 40. Okay, so all I need to do is make a formula and then I could apply the rules for how standard deviation works, which is that the addition and subtraction doesn't do anything and multiplication does. All right, done.